Wi-Fi cracking is the act of breaking into a secured wireless network by exploiting weaknesses in its encryption protocols, like WPA, WPA, or WPA2. One common method targets the WPA2 two-way handshake, which is the process that occurs when a device connects to a Wi-Fi network. During this handshake, encrypted credentials are exchanged between the client and the access point. If an attacker captures this handshake, they can attempt to brute force or use dictionary attacks to recover the password offline. Brute forcing involves systematically trying every possible password combination until the correct one is found, while dictionary attacks rely on precompiled lists of common passwords. The AirCrack-NG suite includes powerful tools that work together to carry out Wi-Fi cracking. AirMon-NG enables monitor mode on a wireless interface, allowing it to capture all nearby Wi-Fi traffic. AeroDump-N is then used to scan for networks, collect data, and capture the WPA2 handshake when a device connects. To force a handshake to occur, AeroPlay-Ng can send deauthentication packets to disconnect a user, prompting them to reconnect and trigger the handshake. Once the handshake is captured, AirCrack-Ng attempts to crack the password using either a dictionary file or brute force method. These tools make it possible to analyze network vulnerabilities and test security defenses effectively in penetration testing or ethical hacking scenarios.